Hello guys, I'm going to show you a way you can use Qwen3-32B, their latest powerful model, to do a great keyword research. So you will like this idea. Aside from it will give you free data, it's fun to do because we will be integrating this SEMrush keyword magic tool. So this is a free API that you can grab in Rapid API. So this is nice guys because when you click on this, so just search SEMrush Keyword Magic Tool on Rapid API. So I'm going to show you how you can correctly use this. So you can have 10 free keyword research per day. If you want more, you can upgrade. So look at the pricing right here. So the basic is just $0 and you can do 10 research per day. So if you are a heavy user, then you can upgrade to $10 a month, 5,300 requests per month. But you don't actually need to do that if you know what you're going to research. And in order for you to display the data correctly, we will be using this web dev in Qwen. And make sure you are selecting this Qwen3-32B. That's their latest model and it's powerful. And you will see how nicely it will create the application for you. And we will also verify if the keyword that we get from Rapid API has actual data here in SEMrush. So we will go to Keyword Magic Tool right here. So first, let's run the data in this Keyword Magic Tool. So when you are here in the Keyword Magic Tool API, so click this one, the first option, and just typing your phrase keyword, you go to Params tab, and I'm going to say manifestation. So if you are planning to do affiliate marketing using ClickBank, there are lots of items or products related to manifestation in ClickBank. That's what I like to do when I am going to promote anything in ClickBank. So I always do to manifestation related topics, because it's pretty flexible niche. So I use this when I go to ClickBank. Now let's go and try to find data. So when I test this endpoint, and here, as you see, you've got 12 items. That means you get 12 related keywords. So here the keywords is Katrin Zenica. Here, Katrin Zenica meditation. This one is a different language, but that's one thing you can use as well. So what you can do is copy the request right here. So we go to code snippets and copy this, and let's head to Qwen and let's type in. So here I'll just simply mention to create an application for keyword research. So we will add the example request right here, and then make sure you add the sample response. All right, so it will render the response nicely, and also readable. So we will say this is the sample response, and head back here, go to example responses that we searched earlier, and then click on copy and paste it right here again in Qwen. And now let Qwen to do the application for you. And as you can see right here, Qwen provided us the UI to do our own keyword research tool. And it's pretty nice. So we're going to type here the phrase keyword that we want to analyze and see whether we can get data out of this keyword. So here, let me try researching for Indian restaurant, and let's check whether we can get data from Keyword Magic Tool. So let's click on Analyze Keyword. So guys, the UI is just beautiful, but it's not actually working, even though I mentioned to make it work. So you can see right here, it's just stuck right there. It's not displaying any result or data. So what I did, just for the sake of having this API work, we executed Qwen3-32B because in Open Router, there is this Qwen3-32B that you can use. There is a free version, but I just use the one that's paid, but it's not that much. It's just 0.10 and 0.30 per million tokens, but there is a free alternative. So you get this, you can use that. And I guess ask the same thing to create this keyword tool based on the request that I provided. And it created a sample keyword research tool like this that you can start using. But I think this is going to work. So I'll just mention email marketing and click on search, and you see it's loading. And there you go. You have the beautiful result right here related to keyword marketing. So here you can scroll down. When you search this as Keyword Magic Tool, this is the seed phrase, and you will get this keyword ideas, MailChimp pricing, Avio pricing. So these are the type of keywords that you can get, and you can also get the data. So here it's the number of searches. These are the search volume right here. Email campaign, you will see the cost per click, average monthly searches, competition index. So look at this comprehensive data that you can get. Free email marketing, email blast service. So lots of keyword ideas you can get using this free Rapid API that you can use with this SEMrush Keyword Magic Tool. Now, I just want to verify if this data is actually correct. So I'm just going to copy this email blast service. I'll head over to the actual Keyword Magic Tool, or we go to Keyword Overview, because we're going to actually search for email blast service only and click on search. So as you can see, the cost per click here is 23.54. Wow, I didn't know this email blast service is quite expensive. if you're gonna advertise this, if you have a service of email blast service, then if you want to use Google Ads, then you have to pay 23.54 a click. And here, so email blast service, although it says 7.19, but it's far from, because I think this is getting the latest data. And since this is the free one that's already saved in their cache or whatever storage they're using, so that was the last time. But you will be getting rough idea on this one, but this is actually existing, and average monthly search is 1,900. So let's see, here it's 1.8k globally and 1,000 in the US, so there's some discrepancy, but you can use this. It's free one. You can get 10 a day, 10 requests a day to do your research, and you've got a bunch of ideas. Look at this, HubSpot marketing, MailChimp plans. So you just need to type one seed keyword and you will get all this idea. So I'm just gonna say ClickBank. So let's say ClickBank, and let's do search. No data found. So I'm just gonna do, let's say, the Indian restaurant. I think I ran out of credits, but that's how you're gonna use that. So this is the SEMrush keyword magic tool. Again, if you need more, you can always upgrade to Pro. If you find it helpful for you, then you can go for this $10 a month. It's not that expensive compared to the pricing of Ahref or the SEMrush. But if you want the free trial of SEMrush, you can always get the 14-day or the 7-day. You can check the link in my description below. If you want to quickly get data, you can do that. Otherwise, you just prompt the command that I mentioned. So the one that we mentioned in Qwen chat. So the same thing. So you just prompt that and it will create it. You can always use for your keyword research. So I think that's about it, guys. That's all I can share in today's topic. I hope you like it, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. See you in the next one.